What's up guys, here's a quick review of the ProFitness Barbell Pad. A few weeks ago I spent some time researching several pads on Amazon.com and came across this one which has over 11,000 reviews and a 4.8 star rating. It's one of the longer pads available on the market and I feel that it fits right in on the high quality material category. I reached out to the company and they were very friendly and nice enough to send me this barbell pad in exchange for an honest review. So in this video, I'll cover the pricing, unboxing, specs, dimensions, and conclude with a performance test. So let's get started. So you can find the ProFitness Barbell Pad on Amazon.com for about 20 bucks. And it comes in three colors, jet black, pink, and red. It's 18 inches in length, 3.5 inches in width, and about 1.5 inches in thickness. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. The package arrived on time in a standard box, and all the items within the box were protected in wrapping. It came with two items, which was the barbell pad and also some lifting straps. And you can find this bundle on Amazon.com for $31, but we're gonna focus on the barbell pad itself for this video. I did find another barbell pad online with a very similar design for the same price, but this brand specifically had better ratings and reviews for some reason. First impressions of this product was the quality of the material. It did feel very spongy, but not too soft to where it would leave a distinctive impression. It was almost like a memory foam type of a material where it would return to its original state after it was being tampered with. The specific material is a rubber foam type of material and two different textures. The outside areas are more smooth than the center of the barbell pad, which lays on your neck. The weight limit is 350 pounds, and I think they figured this out, that once you get to that amount of weight, you will start to feel the barbell more on your shoulders or on your hips, depending on your exercise. You'll also find two secure straps that anchor the barbell pad to the barbell itself. It's made out of nylon and a Velcro type of material. There's also a quality metal ring to hold the strap in place. Another reason why I chose this specific barbell pad is that it has a lifetime warranty, and I like to take advantage of these lifetime warranties similar to the Great Flex, just to have that peace of mind at the end of the day when doing my workouts. For the dimensions, the website lists this product at 18 inches in length, but I'm only measuring 17 inches, so keep that in mind. All the other measurements are in line with what's listed on Amazon.com. It's pretty easy to install on the barbell. As I mentioned, you have two Velcro straps to anchor the barbell pad to the barbell, and this is pretty standard for any barbell pad in the industry. Once the Velcro straps are anchored to the barbell pad, it's pretty secure. It doesn't shake or wobble or slide at all from what I can see. Here's a performance test, and as the barbell sits on my neck and shoulders, the padding is very comfortable and gives you a little more sense of control of the barbell itself. These are just a couple exercises that you can use this product for, like calf raises or even lunges. But I did find that if you bring the barbell down to about knee level, you can do Bulgarian split squats, which is very comfortable on the ankle when performing this exercise. I actually found myself doing this exercise a little more than I'm used to because of how convenient it was and comfortable on my ankles. Now, one of the main reasons, or the main reason why I reached out for this product was for hip thrusters, which are great for the glutes. And as I was doing these hip thrusters in the past, I tried wrapping a towel around the barbell and it just wasn't sufficient. But this pad definitely does the trick, and I was able to do an extended amount of reps without any issues. I was concerned before receiving the pad that it would slip or slide around, but that wasn't the case by any stretch of the imagination. At this point, I did get a little creative and did find that you can do some isolation single arm curls with this pad, and it was comfortable on the elbow. Alright, in closing, this is a quality barbell pad that you can get on Amazon.com for $20. It has over 11,000 reviews and a 4.8 star rating. And most importantly, a lifetime warranty backed by the manufacturer. If you have any questions, reach me in the comments section. I always appreciate feedback. We'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.